One of our best sellers in Dubai. This apart hotel in Dubai's Tecom area is a 5-minute drive from Internet City and Media City. It offers 2 swimming pools, 1 male and 1 female with sauna and gym. Free private parking is available. The Grand Belle Vue offers bright open-plan studios and larger 1 and 2 bedroom apartments with free Wi-Fi. Each unit has a kitchenette and a seating area. In addition, the bedroom suites have 2 bathrooms and a separate living room. Guests of the Grand Belle is located 3.1 miles from Jumeirah Beach. Barsha Heights, Tecom, is a great choice for travelers interested in beaches, tourist attractions and sightseeing. Do you like an offer? Please, follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.